How to add animated text in Openshot. Want text that moves, bounces, or fades? Here's how to add animated text in Openshot with Flair. First, go to Title, then tap on Animated Title menu from the top. You will see a wide range of animated templates. Select the one like Fly In, Glow, or Zoom In. Customize your text, font, and colors. When done, click Render. Openshot will save the animated clip and import it into your project files automatically. Now drag that animated text clip to your timeline, either above or alongside your main video. Resize or position it using transform tool or adjust properties for more control. You can even layer multiple text or add sound effects to enhance your animations. What animated text do you use most? Names, titles, or callouts? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.